Are you a billionaire yet, bro? Like it's like you're. Let's be honest. You're gonna be the YouTube's first billionaire.
Yeah.
Is it happened?
No. If I was, it'd obviously be paper. Like if we do one of these companies like Beast Burger stuff, because like actual cash, I'm probably the poorest person in this room because we just.
I doubt that.
Cash is grass, baby.
Yeah,
I doubt that.
We like if I make $3-4 million a month, I just spend it on videos the next month. We literally like have razor thin margins and just reinvest it all.
That's wild. Is that ever dangerous? Like, does a video ever not yield a return you're expecting? Where you're like, oh, this one hurt a little
ton
bit.
of them. Yeah.
Bro, you're spending $4 million on a YouTube video.
$4 million a month on videos. Yeah.
I remember I bought Evan a Rolex once for like $20K. And
I actually remember that vlog.
Yeah, and I was like,
Can't believe it.
damn. I spent $20K.
And the thing is, like, as long as you're reinvesting everything and you're constantly innovating and adapting, it's pretty hard to fall off if you're like putting in the effort and stuff.
Easy
like
for
that.
you to say, dude. All you do is put in the effort. You're a workhorse, and even when you're not working, like you started taking those like therapeutic late night walks.
Yeah, I call him all the time. I get like 1 out of 10 times he answers. I'm like 0 for 7 on Mike.
Everybody says that. Everybody says that.
People say he's a clout chaser, but he's never picked up my phone call, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey guys, if you like that clip, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more zany clips, click the video right here.